back to my channel, Be Truly Free, where we're focused on money, mindset, and freedom. So today's mindset gem: how do you set it and forget it? As I'm coaching my clients and stuff like that, this is one area that is a struggle. It's a struggle for me some days. It's a struggle for them, and that's why I want to share it with you. Like, if you're on this journey of awakening and just becoming a better person and evolving and truly just like letting go of the things that society tells you you have to be in order to all this other crap, you know, the lies that we're told, chances are like you're going to get into like the power of like visualizing the life you want to create for yourself. And a big component to that is learning how to visualize, set the intention for how you want it to go, right? So visualize yourself in that dream house, in that dream, driving that dream car, inspiring the world with whatever your gift is, right? So it feels amazing when you're in this space. It feels so amazing. Some days you don't want to come down from it. And that's awesome. That's awesome, because that's how we're supposed to. We're supposed to naturally vibe high. But here's where we get tripped up. We start trying to think like, okay, how is God about to bless my life? How is he about to like finesse this to make sure I get that opportunity, or I get that new job, or I get that car or house, or my freedom, my financial freedom, passive income? Like, he's going, like, we naturally try to control it. And I think the more you can truly just be, and it takes practice, the more you can truly just be in the moment, set the intention, and like let go. So how do you let go? The best way that I personally use, and it works every time, is I ask myself a question. Just one question. Okay, your brain is designed to tell you exactly what you're thinking about. So why aren't we asking our brain more questions? I ask my brain questions all the time, because the more you do, the more it's going to answer you, and the more it answers you, the more you become aware of really like who you're being in life, right? Like, are you super negative all the time? Are you super positive all the time? Like, so by asking a question, it's going to make you aware. So so after I visualize, and how do you visualize properly? There really is no like right or wrong way to dream. There really is no right or wrong way to dream. I like to create, because that's what you want to do. In your dreams, you want to dream about something forward thinking. Do not dream about the past. Dream forward thinking. Dream the biggest you can dream. For me, it's inspiring the world, like teaching people and inspiring people to chase after their God-given gifts, using passive income streams to fund it, and also building your brands. Like, it's all this stuff. It's me sitting on the couch, on Oprah's couch for Super Soul Sundays, me and my husband living our best life, inspiring the world. Like, that is what my dream is, right? So when I go to that place in my head, like, I'm dreaming like it already happened. So how would you be looking if that already happened? How would you be acting if it already happened? Would you be this stressed out? Would you be trying to control everything if that life, that's your dream life, already was existing? Like, how would you act? I'm asking you, how would you act? When you start to lead from that, chances are not only are you going to work less, because you already have it, you're going to work less, and you're going to get more accomplished. It's weird. Listen, I did not make up the rules to life. I just learned them and mastered them. That's it. And that's all you have to do, is learn the rules. And like, you can win at anything you want to accomplish if you learn these rules, okay? So set the intention in the morning, and right before you go to bed, visualize. That's what I mean when I say set the intention. Like, visualize how you want, oh, there's a fly. Visualize like how you want your day to go. And then you let go by just basically saying, releasing it. You release, meaning the thought should not be in your head anymore. That life, how you're going to get there, you shouldn't even think about it. Always think about what you're doing right now. Ask your brain, what am I doing right now? when it answers you, because your brain is always going to answer you, it should always be aligned with what you're currently doing right now. So I am currently filming a video. Meaning, if I ask my brain, what am I thinking about right now? It should always be filming. It should always respond, filming a video. That is how you set it and let it go. You're not worrying about yesterday. You're not worrying about the future. You're just being in the moment, right? So live from that space. Now, I'm pretty sure in your dream life, you're happy, you're peaceful, you're laughing, you have a lot of friends, right? Like, people want to be around you. So I would just recommend living from that space. Be happy. Don't always wait for something to happen for you to react to be happy. That is a big lie we're sold to believe. True happiness, everything, true happiness, peace, joy, love, money, abundance, everything stems from within. So I just want to challenge you to go within you, literally, because until you master this, and especially this, your life isn't going to change, okay? And you can master it in a certain ways. For me, I pray, meditate, visualize, learn. I tell my coaching students, pray, meditate, visualize, learn. Listen, if you're interested in coaching, definitely, I'll leave a link down below. You can apply. There's not a ton of slots available, unfortunately, because, you know, I don't have a lot of time. You know, I'm a mom of 2 and I love my babies and I love doing things with them. So that coaching program that I designed to help people win is limited. Seats, I only take about 4 to 5 clients at a time, unfortunately. And that's good for me, right? Because you always want to be balanced in your life. Like, you want to truly help people change their life. You know, me as a coach, I want to help people change their life, but I also recognize I'm married, I have friends, I have a family, and there's other areas, right? So that's a word for you. If you're looking for balance today, like, nothing should be falling, right? You shouldn't have to sacrifice something else. You should never have to sacrifice your kids, your friends, your family, your loved ones in order to be successful in life. That's a big lie. And the more you tap in to your Holy Spirit, and He really starts to reveal your destiny, your gifts, and how you're going to accomplish and change the world with your gift, you'd be surprised, like, how little of work you have to do when you start living intentionally. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for your time. Again, always set the intention in the morning and night, and then truly let it go. And you let it go by simply saying, what am I thinking about right now? And it should always match up to what you're doing. And if it's not, then chances are you're not living in the moment. Okay? You have to give God room to work. And the only way you do that is if you literally take your hand off the wheel. It's scary. As you naturally level up and vibe higher, it's scary because He's always going to be stretching you, okay? But if you aren't growing, then you're dying. Literally, like, brain cells are dying when you stay stagnant. So you always want to be growing, learning, and thriving, okay? Thanks so much for your time. That's all I got.